Okay, so to install the Adobe Creative Cloud, it's actually very simple and kind of quick. Okay, so the first part is to basically go into the Creative Cloud folder and then click on Creative Cloud Setup. Okay, and by the way, these black screens you're seeing here, they are just the window when they go into the mode that asks me to if I want to actually use the software. So don't worry about that. So just browsing through all the software here, just go to each software and basically just select from here. The top part here that's the update are the ones I've already installed, so I'm just going to install a random one right here. So I'll install something like Lightroom. So you see how there's a indicator there. So yeah, we have to go to that. Oh yes, and before we go into that, just like to mention that you need an Adobe profile to actually do this, or Adobe account. So before you start this, actually just go on Adobe and actually start an account one time. It's actually really quick. So just click on it and say try. Then you'll go into this loading, and basically that's everything installing and downloading. So this is going to take a while, so I'm just going to try and skip all of this and then come back when it's over. Okay, and it's over. Well, okay, now it's over. So now it says start trial. So from there on, now we can actually go to crack it. So okay, there's an indicator that actually shows that it's been installed properly. Okay, so now what we do is just minimize it or take it off, doesn't really matter, and select the Temu painter thing, the crack basically. So just once again black screen. So okay, now just go inside here and then select find and select this R software. Something I should actually probably mention about this is that even though the software signs in as something like 2018 or 2015, just you could just pretty much just use the crack for the latest one. So just selecting Adobe Lightroom, you go into install, and from here on, you just need to find the AMTLIBDL so file. Basically, that's just the file that makes everything just easier. So what we do now is just go into local or my computer or this PC, I guess, and local disk C, program files, Adobe, and then we look for the specific one. So Lightroom Classic CC, and then we look for it, and there we go. So we just find it there, select it, and then open. And yeah, that's it. We just fully installed it. Everything installed and cracked and installed perfectly right now. Okay, before we actually end this now, I actually just talk about two specific softwares, that being Illustrator and After Effects, since their EMTL by whatever files are kind of in different areas than every other software. So what we're going to do now is we're going to select that for the Illustrator, install, and well, going back, so we just go back to Adobe, so Illustrator, and now you have to go to support files, contents, windows, and there it is. So the thing is, I'm not actually gonna install everything right now because I already did this and I'm kind of afraid to what would happen if I did it again. So yeah, so basically that's just where the Adobe file is. Well, the Adobe file for Illustrator, and for After Effects, we just pretty much do the same thing. So install, and we were just looking for the AMLITB file, DL file. So After Effects, open, support files, scroll down, and okay, there it is. So I actually haven't cracked this yet, so I'm just going to do that now. And yeah, that's it. Everything. Basically, those are the basic rules that you have to do to follow everything else. So yeah, that's about it.